Let me show you how to connect external microphone to your Samsung Galaxy S25 and also S25 Ultra. So there are multiple different microphones that we can use with a phone. Maybe like a wireless microphone, a microphone that you plug in maybe Type-C, or also microphones that you can use using the 3.5mm jack. So let's start with them. So if, for example, you have Type-C microphone, so what you do is you simply plug in your microphone first, and as soon as you pretty much plugged in your phone using a Type-C, it will work straight away. So you see my microphone turns on and it's working straight away. So if you want to use it, for example, for video recording, once you connect external microphone, it's ultimately going to be used as your default microphone here. For example, if I start recording a video, it will even say recording audio through USB mic. Also, if you go in the Pro video mode, so you see, again, it appears here that we have connected something, and we can open up basically the microphone settings here and even choose. So also here, if you click this, so you see, you can choose USB microphone, Bluetooth microphone even as well, and also configure how the microphone will even. Okay, apologies. So yeah, once you connect external microphone, that's all you can do. So you can also obviously change the gain for it here as well. And again, this also works with Bluetooth microphones. So, and that's about it if you have Type-C microphone. Then if you have maybe like a regular microphone that maybe has a 3.5mm jack that doesn't work over Type-C, then you'll simply need to get an adapter like this, which converts the 3.5 to the Type-C. And once you basically plug in this dongle here into your phone and plug in your microphone through the 3.5, again, it will ultimately work. And again, there's no really setup additional. Then, for example, if you have maybe some kind of wireless microphone, so again, pretty much the same. So you simply plug in your receiver, basically in your phone. So you see it starts to work here. And as soon as I pretty much turn on my microphone here, okay, so you see it's pretty much paired and I can instantly start using it. So if I go in my camera, so you see it ultimately picks up the external microphone here, so USB microphone. You see I can use it. So you see just how easy this is. Okay, good luck.